Hey, welcome to MyGymDesk. Today we are going to see how to import or migrate your existing data. To migrate from the dashboard, we need to click on Settings and then Import Data. We can import three things: members, subscriptions, and leads. To import members data, we just need to look at the required fields, which are name and phone number. The other fields are optional. We can simply download the template from here. Once we prepare the template as per the instructions, we can click I have my file ready. Now, as we have already updated our file with 2 rows, we can either drag and drop this file or click Browse File. When we click Browse File, we select the member template that we filled. The moment we select and upload the file, we will see that there are 2 records. Because we have updated 2, we will see the status. Green means it is okay to upload. If there is any error, we will also be able to see the error-related comments here. Once we are ready, we can simply click on Import 2 rows and the members will be imported. We will see a success message. In case of failure, we can see the failure remarks here. Now we will see how to import subscription. To import subscription, there are 4 required columns. We start with the member phone number, which must be unique. Next, we need the plan name, start date, and end date. It's important to make sure that the plan name matches exactly with the plan names in your membership plan, whether that is the PT plan or another plan. Now we go back to import data. The subscription and all other fields are not necessary at this stage. These can be uploaded later as well. Once we have the file ready, we click here to confirm that our files are ready. Then we browse and select the file from the subscription template. Here we can see errors displayed. For example, one entry is active, but another shows that the end date must be after the start date. Let's look at what is wrong with the file. In this case, the end date is before the start date. That's why we are not able to upload it. We have intentionally kept this issue so that everyone can see how to resolve it. Since this is a monthly subscription, we will change the dates from the 12th of January to the 11th of February. Now, we save the file and close it. Next, we go to Again to import. We then go to re-upload the file. Now we upload the subscription file again. You will see that there are now 2 valid entries for the subscription, and we can import 2 rows. Both rows are imported. Now we can check this imported data in the members and subscription column. We have uploaded this to the members data, and we can see the complete details here, including the subscription information as well. Here, the data is updated as of 11th Feb. Today is the 11th Feb, so it is showing as expired. Now let's see how to import leads. To import leads, we only need 2 columns. The rest are optional. We can download the template here, fill in the template, and then click on I have my files ready. Next, we select the lead template here. Here we can see all the fields have been uploaded, and it says all the fields are valid. We click on 2 rows, import 2 rows. Now, if we click on View Leads, we will be able to see the 2 leads that were just uploaded today, 11th Feb. Okay, that's it. Thank you.